Good afternoon, team. Welcome back to another segment of MRC TV. I'm your host, Hector Gazar. Today, guys, we're going to cover step 3 of 6 on how to become a successful agent here at MRC. Now that you already saw the opportunity meeting, you've been to a workshop, you already saw step 2 where you had to get appointed, licensed, become an independent contractor, and contracted with MRC and FEG. Got all the paperwork out the way. Now you need to get informed on all the products that we have to offer here and how to explain them to your consumer or your potential future clients. Again, when agents come in, they're excited and they want to get informed on the products right away so they don't look, they don't look incompetent in front of their peers or their other colleagues, okay? So guys, here's the product training. This is all based on LSW only today, guys. LSW only. So let's go ahead and start step 3. Product training with LSW, okay? The first thing we're going to cover, guys, is our niche product is the ABRs. What are ABRs? They're the accelerated benefit riders. That's our niche here in the life insurance industry with FEG MRC. If you don't know what accelerated benefit riders are, we're going to cover them right here on this slide. ABRs, better known as, are available on all policies. Riders are enforced as long as the base policy remains in force. There is no additional premiums for these riders. These riders are free with the carrier that we use. The first rider is referred as terminal illness. Terminal illness is an expected death that's going to result within a 2-year time frame. If you're terminally ill, you get a letter from your doctor saying, hey, it doesn't look like the patient is going to pass 2 years. LSW will write you a check up to 90% of the face amount of your life insurance coverage. This is huge, guys, because if you don't have any health insurance, any other supplemental insurance, this may be the only insurance that you may have that's going to save your family or maybe even get you different treatment in a different part of the world. Okay, if you have, say, like a Blue Cross or HMO and you need some kind of, you need some other kind of treatment that's not available here in the United States. For example, maybe stem cell research, etc. You may have to fly over to Europe. Your Blue Cross, your HMO is not going to cover any kind of assistance, medical assistance that's outside the country. So it's good to have supplemental insurance with your life insurance policy, the ABR terminal illness. If your life expectancy is down to 2 years, you get a note from your doctor, you'll get a check with LSW. Very huge, guys. Many insurance companies, you have to die to get the money, not with LSW. The second rider we're going to cover is chronic illness. Chronic illness is when you're unable to perform 2 of the 6 daily activities. For example, if you're not able to bathe yourself, go to the restroom, dress yourself, feed yourself, or take care of yourself, this will activate an ABR. And an ABR how it breaks down is about 2% of the death benefit, and it'll give you a certain amount of income for the next, say, about 50 months. This is kind of like long-term care, guys. I always refer to the story. We all knew a movie star. We called him Superman. He went out riding a horse, had an accident, and became paralyzed. Okay, he wasn't able to feed himself, bathe himself. If he had our policy, guys, he would have been able to get a check from LSW for that incident that occurred to go ahead and help pay for all the medical treatments and all the medical assistance that he's going to need on a daily basis. Very huge, guys. That's a true story. Our Superman, as you know, was paralyzed on a horseback riding incident. He did not have insurance. His best friend, Robin Williams, was the one that was there for him on his side to pay for all his bills. He had the wrong policy, guys. He needed a policy that was with one of our carriers here at MRC. Rider number 3, critical illness, is when a person is diagnosed with heart attack, stroke, organ transplant, cancer, end stage of renal failure, Lou Gehrig's disease, or blindness. The big ones here, guys, are heart attack, stroke, and cancer. The average age of a heart, stroke, and cancer is 43 years of age, guys, for males. Okay? If an event happens like this, you get a cancer, you get a heart attack, again, our carrier is going to provide you with a check opposed to anything else. If you don't have the right amount of insurance, guys, LSW, your life insurance, will activate the critical illness if you have a heart attack, stroke, or cancer, and you will get a check. Okay? Again, most insurance companies do not cover this rider, or they may have this rider, but you have to pay for it at an additional cost. Okay? Recently, guys, my stepfather out in Sacramento, he's 46 years of age. he just had a heart attack. He had group term insurance with his employer. He has health insurance through his employer, but that's it. He's getting his medical bills basically covered, but he's not getting any extra money to pay for all the bills that he needs to continue to pay for while he's out of work for the next 3 to 4 months. This is why it's crucial to have supplemental insurance and have life insurance that has living benefits, so in case one of these events occur, you have extra money for you and your family so that you can go ahead and rehabilitate yourself, pay for your bills, and not become delinquent. So some of the products, guys, with LSW is, we're going to start off simple with term. LSW does offer a level term 10-year product. Its issue ages are anywhere from 18 to 75. Coverage can extend all the way to the age of 95. Your minimum face amount is $50,000. Your max face amount is $250,000 with no medical exam required. No urine, no medical, no EKG. For ages 18 to 65. However, if you're applying for insurance over $250,001, medical exam is going to be required for all ages. That's it, no exceptions. If you are at the age of 66 years of older, a required medical exam is required regardless of the face amount. Okay, so the key thing here is no exam up to $250,000. Over $250,001, you need an exam. If you're over the age of 66, you're going to need an exam no matter what. LSW level term is the lowest premium, most affordable, and the cheapest insurance. The cost of insurance is usually about $95 annually. Pure insurance protection. It does not build any cash value. It has a guaranteed level death benefit. You also can convert this during the first 10 years or until age 70 to a permanent plan. So for whatever reason, maybe your budget cannot afford you to pay into a permanent plan. You need to start with something that's less inexpensive for you and your family. Start out with some term. You could always convert it later to a permanent plan. Effective dates for these riders. Rider number 1, terminal illness is immediate and it covers 100% of death benefit and a maximum payout of $1.5 million. Rider number 2 on this program is your critical illness. Your chronic illness is after 2 years. So after 2 years, you have a heart attack, stroke, or cancer, 100% of the death benefit and a maximum payout of $1.5 million can be issued. Rider number 3, your critical illness is activated after 30 days and it covers 100% of your death benefit and a max payout of $1 million. You can see a lot of similarities with the different terms that LSW offers. LSW also offers a 15-year term insurance. Look at the issue ages, again 18 to 75, non-tobacco except 18 to 70 on all other classes. Coverage again can extend up to age 95. Your minimum face amount is $50,000 for these products. Anywhere from $50,000 to $250,000, again on the 15-year, no medical exam is required for ages 18 to 65. And again, just like the 10-year term, if you're asking for a death benefit or insurance over $250,001, medical exam is required for all ages, and that is mandatory. If you're over the age of 66, regardless of your face amount, you are going to be required to do a medical exam. Again, LSW level term, 15-year, is still also a lowest premium. It's affordable. It's the cheapest insurance out in the marketplace. The cost of insurance is usually about $95 annually. This is pure insurance protection. Does not build no cash value. Guaranteed level death benefit. Conversion during the first 12 years or until age 70 or earlier to a permanent plan. Effective dates of the riders. Again, rider number 1, terminal illness is immediate and covers 100% of the death benefit. Max payout $1.5 million. This is huge, guys. Okay, when you're sitting on your deathbed, do you want a check and a get well card, or do you want both? Right? Rider number 2, chronic illness is after 2 years, covers 100% of death benefit. Again, max payout is $1.5 million, and this money is tax-free. Rider number 3, critical illness. Again, with the 15-year term with LSW, after 30 days, it's activated. It covers 100% of the death benefit and a max payout of $1 million. To be competitive in the marketplace, LSW not only offers the 10, the 15, it also offers a 20-year term insurance plan as well. Here we go again. Issue ages 18 to 70, non-tobacco, except 18 to 65, all other classes. Coverage extends to age 95. Minimum face amount, again, $50,000. Up to $250,000, no medical exam required. Seems like I'm repeating myself, guys, but there's little things that change on these different plans. You need to rehearse these. You need to become experts on these products. If you're applying for coverage over $250,001, again, you guys should know this already. A medical exam is now required at all ages. If you're at home watching, remember, if you're at age 66, again, a medical exam is required regardless of the face amount. Even if you're applying for the $50,000 minimum face amount for this program, you still need to do a full medical exam. This plan is also affordable with level premiums for 20 years. The cost of insurance, again, is usually on average around $95 annually. This is pure insurance protection, no cash value, guaranteed level death benefit, conversion during the first 15 years or until age 70 or earlier to a permanent plan. Again, the effective dates for these riders, number 1 is immediate and covers 100% of the death benefit, max payout $1.5 million. Rider 2, chronic, is after 2 years, covers 100% of death benefit, max payout of $1.5 million. Rider number 3, your critical illness is activated after 30 days of when your policy is issued, and it covers 100% of the death benefit, max payout of $1 million. Hold on, there's one more. LSW also offers a 30-year insurance plan. Okay, so we're competitive. You could do a 10-year for the wife, a 30-year plan for the husband. You can mix it up for your clients. A 30-year term insurance, guys, issue ages 18 to 55, non-tobacco, except 18 to 50 on all other classes. Coverage extends again to age of 95. Your minimum face amount, yep, you guessed it, minimum is $50,000. $50,000 to $250,000. You guessed it again, no medical exam is required for ages 18 to 55. Now, however, if you want coverage over $250,001, a medical exam is required for all ages. It's affordable on level premiums for 30 years. Cost of insurance annually around $95. Pure insurance protection, no cash value, guaranteed level death benefit, conversion during the first 20 years or until age 70 or earlier to a permanent plan. Effective dates for the riders, again, terminal illness is immediate, covers 100% of the death benefit, maximum payout $1.5 million. Rider number 2, your chronic is after 2 years, covers 100% of the death benefit, max payout $1.5 million. Rider number 3, critical, is after 30 days, covers 100% of the death benefit, a max payout of $1 million to your client and their family. That covers all the term plans. Term is the most inexpensive form of insurance to purchase in the marketplace. But again, guys, term is short for terminate. So it's going to terminate, and it usually terminates when your family needs the insurance the most. Okay, so that's why it's important to understand that these plans are convertible to permanent. Make sure that you're staying on top of your clients and you're doing a semi-annual review or a yearly review with them, so that you can roll them over to a permanent plan, so you're ensuring the protection for them and their family forever. Okay, so you're not going to have a story where a client passed away and didn't have insurance because their term insurance lapsed. That's going to be a bad, like my mom says, a bad juju over your head. Okay, so make sure you're staying on top of your clients. You love them. You want to make sure that their families are protected. Make sure that eventually they convert to a permanent plan, or they have a combination of some term insurance and permanent plans currently. One of the permanent insurance plans that we offer with LSW is a product by the name Flex Life. Flex Life is a minimum issue age of 0. Okay, this is great for your infants, your newborns. About 2 weeks after a newborn is conceived, we have a Social Security that's issued in about 2 weeks. These are great college plans for newborns. For standard non-tobacco or other classifications, minimum age is 20 years. Maximum issue age for elite non-tobacco is 75 years. Everyone else is 85 years. Okay, of course, they don't like, they want you in good shape. Minimum face amount is $100,000 with this product. So if you're looking for a permanent plan and you want a face amount of only $50,000, this is not the plan for you. Policies over $250,001 need a fully underwriting medical exam. Your minimum premium for this product is $25. Your death benefit is death benefit protection. You have the opportunity to build cash value within the policy and loan from it at a later time once you start building up the cash value. Flexible premiums and death benefit includes ABRs 1, 2, and 3. You should already know by this time what all ABRs are. Routine medical exam is always going to be required on the Flex Life. Now, we have a lot of clients actually don't even like to, they're afraid of needles. We have a product for them with LSW. This is their provider product. This is a non-medical product up to $250,000 of coverage. That's right, no medical exam is going to be required. No EKG, no urine, no blood. Okay, this is ideal for clients that are busy, they're on the go, they don't have time to take a day off and even do the exam, they don't have the time to fast. This is perfect for those clients that are on the run and that are scared of needles. So let's take a look at this. Minimum issue age is 0, okay, just like Flex Life. Maximum issue age is 85. The minimum face amount for this product is $25,000. So we're looking for a permanent plan, less than $100,000. You're not using Flex Life. You're going to use the provider with LSW. Your minimum premium is $25. Sales illustration is always going to be required. Your death benefit protection cash value could also you can also accumulate potential cash value within the policy. This policy is also flexible. It includes all your ABRs 1, 2, and 3. Simple underwriting, no routine medical exam for some ages and face amounts, allowing a faster turnaround time for your clients to get approved and for the policy to be issued. And what that means when you do non-med, this is also great for the agents because if you're doing a non-med product for your client, this sucker could get approved within 3 to 5 days, and you're getting a direct deposit in your bank account by the end of the week if you took this application on Monday. This is a fast turnaround, fast payday for agents, especially if you e-app it. You're going to get paid very fast on this product. Though that covers the permanent insurance plans that LSW has to offer. Those are 2 plans, Flex Life and Provider. Okay, Flex Life again is for minimum death benefit over $100,000. Provider is for anything underneath the $100,000, but a minimum of $25,000 on a permanent plan. So now that you got the term insurance for your client, you have some permanent insurance for your client. Now we need to talk about some annuities. They're alternate retirement plans, alternate saving plan. Okay, so let's take a look at the 2 different annuity products that we're going to offer with LSW. The first annuity product is the Secure Plus Paramount 5. These are fixed index annuity products. You don't need your securities license to sell these products. All you need is your life license to sell annuity products here with MRC FEG. So let's take a look at this Secure Plus Paramount 5. It's a premium annuity product that features a 5% interest credit on flexible premiums paid in the first 7 years and lump sum premiums for the first 5 years. Hector, I'm new to the business. What does that mean? Well, let's take a look at this. If you guys already know on your first step, you've watched the opportunity meeting, not everyone's going to get approved for life insurance, maybe because their age, their weight, their health, pre-existing conditions, okay? But they still need to supplement the retirement plan. An index annuity is a great plan to supplement your retirement income. And what this means is this. With this product, you need a minimum of $100 to put into this program. You put $100 in today. Today is we're November 11th. You put $100 in, you're going to get credited 5% on that $100. 5% of $100 is $5. So right away, you just made $5 on your $100. So if you're putting $100 into your plan every single month for the first 7 years, you will get credited 5% on each one of those premiums that you put into the policy every single month. And if you do a dump-in or a lump sum, say you were working at Best Buy, you were part of the 401k plan, they laid you off, and now you have an IRA that's sitting around with $20,000, $30,000 in there. This is what we call a lump sum. We could dump that in here into this product, and you can still contribute $100, $200, $300, depending on what you're comfortable with, to allow your money to grow. And on that dump-in, you're going to get a credit, again, of 5% on any dump-ins for the first 5 years. This is a great product. You're going to gain interest right away, and your interest is also going to compound. Very crucial. Okay, so if you're getting interest and your interest is compounding, you're going to be able to get a good return on your principal. And with these products, guys, remember, you never lose your principal, ever. So if a client's going to start up with $50,000, they're going to continue to gain money off that $50,000. It will never go lower than the $50,000. You never lose money with MRC's products, guys. You never lose money, okay? Maximum premium limits for qualified issued ages are 0 to 75. Remember, qualified is in your middle bucket, is 500,000, and issue ages 76 to 80 is 250,000. Now these plans are a 10-year program, okay? It's a 10-year contract with these annuity programs. So what it's saying by your max is 500,000, that means over the course of those 10 years, you cannot put in more than $500,000 over the course of 10 years. So if you want to put away $50,000 every single year, that's absolutely fine. And remember, when you're putting in that money, you're also going to be getting a 5% interest credit right off the top, okay? And also you're going to be getting the credit or earnings on how the S&P performs at the end of that year. So maximum premium limits for non-qualified issue is $25,000 annually. These are for non-qualified funds. This is your third bucket, your tax-free bucket. So now you could do $25,000 annually or $250,000 for the life of the contract, which again is 10 years, okay? For ages 0 to 75, and $150,000 for ages 76 to 80. Obviously, guys, as you're getting older, okay, your life expectancy is 81 for females and 71 for males. So what the insurance companies don't want is that if someone is in their golden years, they don't want them to tie up a lot of money for over a 10-year plan. You know, if they know that they're going to need that money for estate taxes or proper planning with their legacy afterwards. That's why when you see that your client is a little higher in age, they limit how much money they can actually put in these programs. The younger, the more you can put in. The older, the less you can put in. With this product, you also have a rider, which is called a GLIR rider. It's a guaranteed lifetime income rider. This is with all the policies. So let's just say, for an example, you have this you put in $50,000 in this policy, in this program, this annuity. You let it mature there for 20 years. You're 50 years of age. You want to retire at age 70 because why? 70 is the new retirement age. Now you could turn on a guaranteed income stream from the original $50,000 that you put in. Say that it compounded and gained interest, and now you've accumulated up to $250,000. You could turn on that income and start getting money every single month, every single year for life, so you never run out of income. This is kind of like a pension replacement. If you have a 401k, that's awesome, that's great, but take a look at 401ks, guys. 401ks have a lot of hidden fees, and most clients run out of 401k money within 6 to 8 years after retirement. That's why you see an older generation working at Walmart, at McDonald's, at Burger King to supplement their income. We do not want any of our family members, any one of our friends, any one of our consumers to be working at Walmart later because they outlived their money. This is a great plan for them to supplement their retirement income and have a guaranteed income that they will never run out of money, okay? So that's why it's very important to put a permanent life insurance plan with a guaranteed income together with an annuity product so that client can get 2 different streams of income at retirement. Minimum age, so guaranteed life income rider is better known as your GLIR, is required on policies with initial single premium of $25,000. So if you're going to do a dump in, we know that you're probably going to want to retire off that money. Okay, you can want to live off the interest on that money that's earning off your principal. Okay, and whatever is not used, guys, will be passed on to your beneficiaries, either tax or tax later, depending on which product you put it in. So this is annuity. Secure Plus Paramount 5 is for people that want to do monthly contributions and maybe even have a little lump sum somewhere, some mattress money, or old IRA or old 401k from a previous employer. They want to start the retirement plan. They want to jumpstart it again. They want to reactivate it. This is a great plan for them. The second annuity product that we offer with LSW is a Secure Plus Preferred 6. This is for single premium annuities only. Okay, this means dump-ins. So if you do have that $50,000 somewhere or that $100,000 laying around somewhere and you want to dump it in, this is the product for you. If you don't want to continue to put in monthly contributions, this is what we call a single premium annuity. And with this product, you're going to have a 6% bonus accumulation value transferred in years 11 to 15, death benefit plus guaranteed income for life again. Maximum premium limits are $500,000 for issue ages 0 to 75 and $250,000 for issue ages 76 to 80. Okay, same thing, guys. Same rules apply as a previous annuity program. Okay, you're limited on how much you can put in. 0 to 75, you could do $50,000 a year. Over 76, you could do $25,000 a year. And also, when you turn on your GLIR, your guaranteed lifetime income rider, you're going to also have a guaranteed roll-up rate on this product for the next 8 years. So this product is going to continue to compound interest and grow and accumulate more cash while you're taking money out and using it for your golden years and your retirement years, and using that money to hopefully go on vacations with your family, pay for college plans, take your grandkids out to Disneyland, Disney World, wherever it may be. Today, guys, is the product training only on LSW. Only LSW. We have many other carriers that we're approved with. We want to keep it simple. Like my mentor says, KISS, right? Keep it simple, Smarty. You had some term training today, some permanent, and now you have some annuity training. Hopefully this is not too confusing. Hopefully we were able to break this down and dummy it down so you understand it. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact your corporate office, your recruiter, your upline, or if you're already appointed with LSW, go ahead and contact LSW directly. They have great customer service. That's like having an agent in your pocket. Make sure you have the LSW 800 number. Contact them for anything that you may need. And remember, when you're appointed with LSW, they pay for all your marketing materials. So if you need brochures, trifolds, flyers, just give them a call. Make sure you're submitting enough business. They'll give you as much free stuff that they need to help you grow your business so you're not spending extra money on flyers. Make sure you're getting appointed. Make sure you're passing your classes right on time. Stay on this website. Stay on this YouTube channel. Re-watch this video over and over again so you can become an expert too with LSW. Congratulations. You're now an expert on life insurance and annuity products with LSW. Go out there, kick some butt. Your family deserves it. Go out there and get some business. Good luck. Till next time, guys, I'm your host, Hector Gazar. We'll see you soon.